Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm just going to show you a quick video. This is the free sample bag I got with my Walmart order this morning. And I'm pretty excited to see what's inside, so let's take a peek. And the first thing out of the bag is a Star-Kissed Tuna Creations in ranch flavor. That sounds interesting. I've also got a pack of, let's see here, Belvita Blueberry Breakfast Bars. Feels like there's about 4 in there. I have a paper bag. Want to ripen your avocado? Bag it. And then there's something inside. Oh, it's a little avocado cookbook. Some recipes. Very nice. And these are some one-a-day fruit bites. So they're women's multivitamins. That's nice. I take vitamins every day, so that'll be good. We have here a Snickers peanut brownie bite. Probably very tasty. And some Alka-Seltzer Cool Action Heartburn Relief Gum. I guess that's for after you eat the Snickers. Then we've got a pure organic layered fruit bar with strawberry and banana. That'll go good in my lunch. And then the last couple things here, we have a Starbucks Peppermint Mocha K-Cup. Awesome. I'll have that with my breakfast. And then finally, a Bic pen. Overall, that was a really cute little bag. I'm so happy that they stuck it in my grocery order. And I will see you guys probably later this afternoon or tomorrow when I'm going to work on my Goodwill Blue Box video. So thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you then. Have a good day.